love to thank Navnit Motors for making this drive possible today. But overall, it was a very enjoyable trip, good bonding with fellow auto owners, that is.
It's been a month since I got my M340i and this is the first long drive we're doing with it as a group. Thank you to Navnit Motors for organizing this. It was really fun.
Today we have done this Republic Day ride and it's an amazing experience. People are crazy joining BMW Motorrad and I am happy doing these rides and all. Happy Republic Day.